Oh, what's up, y'all? Domino 7 here. It sure took me a while to get on Facebook Live, you know, eventually on YouTube, But unfortunately, the power is still out here in New Orleans, okay? So, I'm about to show y'all around. Look at all this destruction. Look at all this debris they had, okay? The people is working, well, they're cutting down trees and stuff. Look at all this. You see? I mean, this is the aftermath video right now, So, how y'all doing? I'm just doing the video. That's all. If I'm bothering y'all, I'm sorry. I ain't gonna put y'all on. All right. All right. I'm sorry though, yeah. Yeah. Oh, all right. So anyway, ladies and gentlemen, and his special is eventually going on YouTube. All right. So anyway, look at all this damage, y'all. So I mean, I can't believe Hurricane Ida did all this work. Probably worse than Katrina. Probably worse, huh, y'all?
I don't know. We haven't seen much yet.
At least the levees didn't breach.
Yeah. Wait till tomorrow.
Oh yeah.
Make the Mississippi go backwards though.
Oh yeah. I hope not. I hope Mississippi don't go back. Oh yeah. So anyway, this the Domino 7 aftermath, Hurricane Ida aftermath video so far. So I ain't gonna be on too long because I don't want to waste my juice. I guess it took a while for them. Erica, if you're watching me, please contact Domino. Yep, Domino miss you. Okay. And Brittany, if you're watching, I miss you too, okay? They had a lot of debris over here. Look over here. This was covered with leaves, Let's go around the back. Okay, we're gonna go around the back. Okay, I'm so glad this is working. I hope my battery doesn't drain, Yeah, I'm about to show the viewers the back, So y'all have a nice day. So do y'all know how long the lights will be out? A few weeks. So I'm gonna be gone. All right. Y'all have a nice day. I'll probably see y'all in a couple of weeks. All right. So let's look at the back. That door there. Huh. Hey, this drain was covered with leaves, This was covered with leaves. So yesterday I moved them leaves out the way. I did with my feet, Yep. So how you doing? Well, I'm just doing a show right now. In case you're wondering, my Facebook working now. Wi-Fi working. I can. Y'all won't be on, huh? I ain't gonna put you on. All right, so anyway, all them roof tiles that came off the roofs and stuff, golly. Well, that's all I got to say. All right, thank y'all for watching.